Hello and welcome to Microfocus Education. Let's look at the enhancements to reporting that are available in SBM 11.4.1. Now, you can use the Advanced Time in State report and use the enhancements made to existing reports. First, let's log into the Work Center as the sample database user named Joe. Select the Issue Defect Management application, and we will work with reports in ITOM. Joe has privilege to create reports, so the button is visible from his account. Let's see what's new. There's a new duration report called Advanced Time in State. Like other duration reports, this shows the amount of time that work items remain in a state. The main differences are that this report does not require you to configure time interval groups, enables you to report on the item's current state or include all past states, and outputs all actual time and state values for items instead of truncating the results by the start and end dates. Let's create a bar chart to demonstrate this report. We need to define a start date and then select the states that we want the report to show. Notice these new options. Let's leave them unselected for now, and we will preview the report with values for all states and without the rounded summary. As you can see, work items have been grouped by the number of days spent in the states we selected. The report is displayed with multiple bars representing the actual values for each state. Let's go back and enable the Calculate Summary Time and State Value for All States option. Now, the report shows one bar per time interval, which represents the total value calculated for all three selected states. Next, let's take a look at the enhancements made to a couple of existing reports. Previously, the average time to state report would calculate the time from submit to a particular state. Now, you can report on the time it takes from one state to another state. First, specify the time period. Let's report the average time it takes for items to move to the resolved state. Now, let's preview the report. Here you can see the selected to and from states and the average number of days it took for items to move between them in the specified time period. Next, let's look at some new options in the State Change report. You can now limit the report to selected states, and you can select fields from the primary table to display as columns in your report. Again, let's select the Fixing Issue and Resolved States. And we'll choose a few columns to display in the report. And here's the report showing the selected states and columns. Finally, let's sign out of the Work Center. This concludes our demonstration of enhancements to reports in SBM 11.4.1. Now you know how to use the Advanced Time and State Report and use the enhancements made to existing reports. More information is available on the web at help.serena.com. Thanks for watching.